Okay, like the title says, I'm going to pull the door panels off the front of my F10 535 here. I've got some brighter LEDs. I have a clip of what the original ambient LEDs look like underneath here, and I'll tell you what, the other day we were, me and my buddy were driving, and I didn't even think this car had ambient LEDs because they're so dim. You have to turn the brightness all the way up to see them, and then your instrument cluster and your iDrive screen are burning holes in your eyes because it's the middle of the night and you're driving. That's the only way. That's the only time you can see them. So I'm going to change them out, and I've also had this rubber piece here in the hand pocket. It's degrading and it's really sticky. When the car is really hot, it melts onto your hand. It's really gross. So I have a plastic replacement for this, and I have a plastic replacement for all the other rubber handholds on all the doors, because some of those are also getting a little sticky. So I'm going to pull this door panel off and replace these LEDs and show you how I do it. There's a metal clip here. There's a metal clip here that's kind of difficult to get to. See if you can see that out in there. See that metal clip? That's what I'm trying to get. And then we're going to have to pull the speaker off. Okay. I think for now we just hang the speaker off to the side. Okay, so that is a T30. I'm gonna take that out. Okay, now I think I want to pop this out. And now you have the LED in here, and there is a little clip down here at the bottom. And it looks like mine's broken because mine came out. You can see the tabs right here where the clip was. Another T30. And now we can start popping the panel off. Okay, there we are. Let my speaker hang. Okay, so there are 4 T20 Torx holding the hand, this button and this handhold in. Okay, got our assembly out. All right, got my buttons out of my old door piece. I don't know if you can see that right, but see how gummy that looks? It's just like melting into your hand. The new pieces I ordered on Amazon, they're all plastic, so they don't seem like they're going to come apart like those other ones were. Got my buttons in here. Now I can slide this back together. That is, to me, a noticeable difference in brightness. Okay, now we're over on the other side. I'm just going to do the exact same thing that I did on the driver's side. This side isn't too bad. The handle's definitely worse. The switch cover is fine. I'm gonna replace them anyways, just because I know this texture is, you know, it happened on one side. It's probably gonna happen on the other eventually. Okay, this side is still intact, unlike the other side. I'll try to zoom in here so you can see that. But this clip is what breaks on all of them. Right there. Okay, so I have this LED in, I have this LED in. Wow, you can really tell they're a lot brighter on camera. Oh, you can even see it through the plastic. Okay, to take the handle off, you do, it's a T20 and a T30. 20's here, 30's here. And then this is your window switch. Take a little pick and push a tab in, pull the wiring out. And then there's there's a clip here and a clip here. And you can almost just put your fingers in there and push it out. I have the new plastic pieces in. They look really good. Again, I bought the, whatever the kit is on Amazon that comes with all of them. So I will eventually take the back doors apart, and I do have 2 more LEDs to do the trim in the back like I did these. I'm gonna finish putting this door panel back together, and then I will turn the lights off and show you what it looks like in the car.